Hey everyone! Welcome back to Finance Titans. If you're enjoying the content and don't want to miss out on our upcoming videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. We've got a lot of exciting content lined up and we can't wait to share it with you. Please remember, the content provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So stay tuned and let's dive into today's video. Adobe Inc. was founded in December 1982 by John Warnock and Charles Geschke in Mountain View, California. The company's first product was Adobe PostScript, a revolutionary technology that provided a radical new way to print text and images on paper, laying the foundation for desktop publishing. Growth and expansion in digital media, 2000s. Entering the 2000s, Adobe solidified its position in digital media through significant product developments and strategic acquisitions. The introduction of Creative Suite in 2003, a collection of graphic design, video editing, and web development applications, was a pivotal moment. This era also saw Adobe acquiring Macromedia in 2005, integrating popular software like Flash and Dreamweaver into its portfolio. Shift to cloud services and subscription model, 2010s. Present, Adobe began transitioning to a cloud-based subscription model in the 2010s, a significant shift from its traditional software license sales. The launch of Adobe Creative Cloud in 2012 marked this strategic pivot, offering a suite of applications through a subscription service. This model has allowed Adobe to offer more integrated and continuously updated products, catering to the evolving needs of creative professionals and marketers. Leadership in creative software. Adobe has been synonymous with creative software and digital content creation. Its flagship products, like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Premiere Pro, are industry standards in graphic design, digital art, and video editing. Innovative business model and cloud services. The transition to a cloud-based subscription model with Adobe Creative Cloud represented a significant business model innovation. This shift not only ensured a steady revenue stream, but also allowed Adobe to offer integrated cloud services, enhancing user experience and fostering a community of creative professionals. Strategic acquisitions and diversification. Adobe's growth has been bolstered by strategic acquisitions, expanding its product offerings and capabilities. Notable acquisitions include Fotolia in 2014, enhancing its stock photography service, and Magento in 2018, expanding its e-commerce capabilities. Focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. In recent years, Adobe has invested heavily in AI and machine learning technologies, integrating them into its products. Adobe Sensei, its AI and machine learning platform, has been instrumental in adding advanced features to its creative and marketing applications. Consistent financial growth. Adobe has shown strong financial performance, especially following its shift to a subscription-based model. The company's revenue has seen continuous growth, with fiscal 2019 reporting revenue of $11.17 billion, a significant increase from previous years. This growth reflects the success of its Creative Cloud and Document Cloud services. Stock market performance and investor confidence. Adobe's stock has been performing well, reflecting investor confidence in the company's strategic direction and financial health. The steady growth in stock value underscores the market's positive response to Adobe's business model transformation and product innovations. Adapting to digital transformation and market dynamics. Adobe's future success depends on its ability to adapt to the rapidly evolving digital landscape. The company is well positioned to capitalize on the increasing demand for digital content and marketing solutions, embracing emerging technologies and trends. As the creative and marketing industries continue to evolve, Adobe's focus on emerging technologies like AI, Arifa, and cloud computing will be crucial. The company's ability to integrate these technologies into its products and services will determine its competitive edge. Sustaining innovation, market leadership. Adobe Inc.'s journey from a small software company to a global leader in digital media and marketing solutions is marked by continuous innovation, strategic evolution, and a deep understanding of the creative process. The company's future, amidst the fast-paced digital transformation, will hinge on its ability to deliver cutting-edge tools and services that empower creatives and marketers. As Adobe continues to navigate the challenges and opportunities of a digital-first world, its commitment to innovation, customer experience, and sustainable business practices will shape its trajectory and influence in the technology and creative sectors. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Titans and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We love making these videos for you, and your support means the world to us. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or what you'd like to see next. Until next time, stay awesome and see you in the next video.